I've got a quick color spotlight for you. If you love your kind of gold, yellowy blondes, then you definitely want to stick around for this video because I'm going to show you the color 14/26/R10 from TressAllure, also known as Sunset Melt. That's a new development, which I'll tell you about. This is Trend, one of my all-time favorite wigs. I've reviewed it a dozen times, so we're just going to talk about this color today and look at it inside and outside. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am here on behalf of Shaquel to bring you this color spotlight of Sunset Melt from TressAllure. TressAllure recently went through a rebrand, and as part of that rebrand, they have gone through all of their beloved colors that only had numbers, and they've given them names. So now we've got numbers and names, which will make them so much easier to remember. And I've never seen Trend in this color. I have reviewed another wig in this color a while back. I don't think Trend came in this color. As I'm looking at Trend right now, she actually comes in a bunch of other colors, I think. So that's super exciting. And many of you know, Trend has been a favorite of mine for more than 3 years. I had a little controversy with Trend a while back because they did some different things with her, but I still think she's a fabulous wig. So let's look at this color, but before I do, in case you haven't heard of them, Chiquel is the reason I'm here. They're an online retailer that also has some in-person wig stores. They just launched their Vancouver store in Canada. They have 3 other locations in Canada. They have 1 in Kansas City in the US. Dallas is opening a week from now. When I'm filming this, you probably won't see this until after the Dallas store has opened. More stores to come, and you guys, I haven't announced this yet, and I don't have a date, but I am going to the Dallas store probably within the next month, and I am going to host a pop-up there. I'm so excited. Hopefully I'll get this video posted in enough time that I can put some information in the caption or the description. But if you're anywhere near Dallas, I would love, love, love to see you. If you're not following me on social media, please do, because I will be announcing it there. I will put it in my community page here on YouTube. I don't know that I'm going to put out a full separate video. I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll send it to my email newsletter as well. So definitely go to my website, heywigsister.com, and sign up for emails. All right, Shaquel, don't forget about them. I have a coupon code that will save you money on any purchase. And you guys, they support me so much. So please, please check them out and show them some love as well, because I can do what I do because they support me. It's really great. So anyway, let's take a look at Trend. Even though I'm not going to review her, I'm going to spin so you can see this one from all sides. I will link my review below, some other information on Trend. I have a video where I show you a 3-year-old Trend next to a new Trend. I have so much Trend content because I've just loved this wig for so long. So if you want more on this wig, look below, but the color. So Sunset Melt is the name, and I'm really excited to go see what they've named some of the other colors. I know my favorite color, they've named Desert Ombre 1723R8, I think is what the numbers are. So yeah, but this is that kind of a gold yellow blonde in my opinion. The way they describe it, it's a blend of light red brown, gold blonde, and light brown tones. And then the root is a 10. A 10 is a light brown. So brunettes go from a 2 to a 12. 12 is the lightest brown, so this is just one level below the lightest brown. So it's a warm root. It's very, very like small. There's not a lot of rooting. So it's not a heavily rooted piece. It's a very yellowy gold color. If you like that kind of a blonde, oh my gosh, you guys, this is beautiful. It's very dimensional, not stripy. It's not in your face dimensional though, just enough, and it's really pretty. I have already filmed my outside segment, so I'm gonna tack it onto the end for you so you can see this color outside as well. Let me know if you have any questions, but I like how they've done such a minimal root on this for those of you who just don't like a lot of rooting, because the root could really look dark next to this kind of a color, but it doesn't. And they didn't really bring it so you don't see much of the root. It's kind of back here. Oh, they just did a phenomenal job. And there are lots of other styles that come in this color as well. So even if trend isn't the wig for you, there will be other styles that they carry in this color. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Here's this color. Wow. I have to look back and see if I've actually reviewed a wig in this color. I know I haven't seen trend in this color. It's so beautiful. I thought I had trend in all the colors that I like from TressAllure, because, well, I probably already talked about it. I'm filming this first, but my love for trend is well known. So I wonder if they've recently released it in this color. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. It's so beautiful. Love it. Soft, soft root with that 10 root. There you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.